car.
Can I take one of your cars? Here, I'm giving it back to you, see?
Don't touch it. Baka you might throw it.
Next time, we'll say, mine.
What are you doing?
Mine.
Oh, okay. So look. Look, see?
Mabuso na gasolina kayo.
What's happening? What are you sure?
What is...
Did I damage it? Is that why you're looking like that? Oh! Oh!
Okay, alright.
Are you okay now? Oh! I didn't even touch it. I didn't even touch it.
Who's looking at that?
What's so dramatic? Why are you so dramatic?
Okay, Baba, okay. Come here.
Are you sulking? Okay, see, share. No, oh!
I mean, he's the only one who can touch it.
I guess so. Yum.
Where's the truck, Baba? Where's the truck?